Hi guys, welcome to It's Funny channel. This is my second tutorial of VB.NET and C# step by step. Today I am going to teach variables in VB.NET and C#. Okay. First I am going to explain in VB.NET. I already opened the new project. Select the language as VB.NET Visual Basic and select the application as Windows Form application. I already select the location and everything. Here I am going to change the name as variables. Okay, click OK. Now before developing the application, we'll see the definition of variable. What is a variable? Variable is the small section of the computer memory called variable. The data which given as a variable will store temporary base in the memory. Okay, the simple definition is the variable is the value which store under the memory temporarily. Okay, after that, variable declaration. How to declare the variable? First, variable name, data type and given value. Okay, here I put some example. Here the data type mean if you write in the word, you can the appropriate data type will be string. If you write in integer, the data type will be int. If you write in pointing values, the data type will be double. Okay, here I am going to write the name Banu. The data type will be string because it's a word. Here I am going to write the age. Her age is 20. So I am going to write the data type as int. Here I wrote the his salary as this. Okay, 15,000.5. So this is I wrote as double. Okay, I hope you guys you understood this. If you not understanding anything else, please comment me, I will explain. Okay, switch back to my applications. First I am going to design the form first. I need 3 labels, 2, 3. Arrange them, each one. Each label I am going to change the name. First I am going to change the name as here name, age, salary. So here right click and properties. Here I am going to change the name as in this label name. Here age. Here third one will be salary. Now I need 3 text boxes. Double click and get your form. Double click. Okay, now you got 3 text boxes. You have to arrange them for the relevant fields. Okay, now I need one button. So this is the button. I no need 2 buttons, 1 button. Okay, now I'm going to change the name as OK. Okay, I designed the form. Now I'm going to write the coding parts. So when you click OK button, the name will be displayed on this text box, age will be displayed on this text box, salary will be displayed on this text box. Okay, now we'll see how to declare the variable and display the output. Double click on the OK button. Now this is the coding part of the button. Okay, here already cursor is blinking. Here I am going to start the coding. So first we'll see how to declare the variable. So what is a variable? What is the definition of the variable? The small section of the computer memory called variable. Okay, the data which given as a variable will be stored as a temporarily. You highlight this one, temporarily, because the variable is the value which store under the memory temporarily. Okay, so first I am going to write the keyword for beginning of the creating the variable. So dim as the keyword. This is the beginning part of the variable, create the variable. This meaning of the keywords in VB.NET. Here I am going to write the variable. You can write any name, but the name can't start using numbers and any syntax like at or and. You can't. Okay, you can write only words. Okay, likewise. Okay, because that's the program rules. So I am writing here x not x, name. Here name, no. So this will be the name, no, name. As this is a keyword of this of keyword. Here I am going to write the data type. Data type is a string. So type the string str. You can find it from this property window. You just click and apply here. Okay, this is how you can create the variable. Okay, this will be the data type. This will be the variable name. This will be the data type. Now I need one value equal, within the double quotation I am going to write the word Banu. Okay, now this is how we are creating the variable. So I will be I am going to write here like this. This will be the variable name. This will be the data type. This will be the value. Okay, this is the variable declaration of VB.NET. Okay, keep in your mind when you creating the variables. Okay, you need three stuff. One is a data type. Data type is there. Variable name is this is the variable name. This will be the data. Okay, the Banu will be stored under the memory. Okay, the name will be all the variable which is Banu. Okay, this go and store in the name. Okay, now the name, what is the data on the name? Banu. Okay, now again I am going to create another variable which is a age. Dim age as what? Data type will be integer. Okay, int is a short form. If you write the long integer equal, you can write like this, 22 is age. Now I am going to write the salary. Dim salary as double equal, enter her salary something else. I am going to enter only 15,000.5. okay, this is the floating value. Okay, before creating the variable, you must keep in your mind the data types. You must keep in your mind for the appropriate data type for the variables. Okay, the name should be the string, age should be integer, salary should be double. Okay, now I am going to equal into the text boxes. Okay, this text boxes, the name will be displayed. This text boxes, age going to be displayed. This text boxes, salary going to be displayed. Okay, so how to do it? First, click on this text box and here go to the property window and write the name of the text box. Here txt name, change the name as txt. Here click on this text box, and here you can change the name as txt age. Press enter key on your keyboard, tablet. The salary also, click on this one and change it as txt salary. Okay, now click on this OK button and you can write easily. First t x, okay, now it is pop up here. First one will be name, okay, dot text will be the property equal, you have to write the name. So name I am already mentioned here. Now you have to call the variable. Okay, what's the variable? Name. That's it. Okay, fine. Now I am going to write the age. What is the text box name of the age? txt age. This will be the text box name. Okay, dot text will be the property equal, this is the value, go and store the variable which name is age. Here I am going to write age. Perfect, there is no error. Again, one more thing, txt salary dot text equal salary. Right, here click start, and if you click OK button, you can see the output like this. Okay, this will be text box name. This text box name is txt name. This text box name is txt age. This text box name is txt salary. Okay, I write Banu is the value which store under the memory called as variable. Okay, this meaning of variable, Banu will be the value, it is passed into this name will be the variable. The age 22, it will be passed into the age, this is the variable. This will be the salary, this will be passed into this salary variable. Okay, I am getting the name variable from here and put it to this text box. The age also same thing I did, salary also same thing I did. I just get from here and put in this text box and assign. Okay, I assign to this text box. Age will be assigned to this text box. Salary will be assigned to salary text box. Okay, I hope you guys understood this my tutorials. Thanks. Okay guys, we'll see how to do the same exercises in C#. Okay, let's go to the file, new and project, and select the language as C# and Windows application, and you click browse button and select the folder where you're going to save C# and select folder and click OK. Okay, this is the C#. Now what I'm going to do is here, go to the toolbox and double click on the label, 3 labels I need, arrange them, and again go to the text box, I need 3 text box, change the name, age and salary. Designing will be the same, both the coding should be different between C# and VB.NET. Click OK and click OK. Right, now here I am going to change the name, click right click properties, and here I am going to change the name as txt name. Here I am going to change the name as txt age. Here I am going to change the name as txt salary. Right. Okay, we'll moving to the coding part. Double click on the button. Now you can see here in VB.NET, when you declaring the variable, we have typed the keyword first, dim. Here there are no keywords. Here you have to enter the data type first. What's the data type? String. This is the data type. So I'm going to first I'm going to type the name. So string name is the variable equal, this will be the date, bound. At the end you can put the colon mark. Okay, keep in your mind, when you end the sentence you must put the colon mark and end. Okay, this will be the variable, this is the data type, this is the variable, this is the value. Okay, in C#. Okay, this is a data type, this will be the data type, this will be the variable name. So variable name, this is the value. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, when you are declaring the variable, keep in your these three things you must keep in your mind: data type, variable name and value. Okay, let's delete this one. Now I have another two text boxes. I'm going to write here age. How to write the age? First select the data type int. There we select as in VB.NET integer, here int age equal 50. Here I am going to enter the salary. So double salary equal 15,000.5. That's it. So here I am going to assign the value txt text box 1, sorry, not text box 1. Here I am going to write txt name dot text equal name. Here txt age dot text equal age. Here dot toString. Here txt salary dot text equal salary dot toString. Here what I did is, you can write only words. In C# in these text boxes you can write only the words, numbers you can't write. If you write the numbers, you must convert into the string, so you must use the method which is a toString. Okay, it is automatically convert as a integer as string type. Here dot string toString. Okay, here also you must, this will be the integer, this will be the integer, you must convert as a string. Okay, so that you have to put the this method, you must call the this method when you are writing the integer. Okay, now when you run this one, you can see the output. Click OK button, you can see the output. Okay, the same thing we did in VB.NET. Okay, the difference is this is the only difference. Here only data type, name, and this is the data type, this is the variable name, this is the value. The same thing here also. Here what I did is here name I need not to call the toString method because this is a word. Here these two things are numbers, so I need to convert. Okay, if you're not converting, it's showing error. So that convert meaning the variable dot toString method. If you call the toString method, it automatically convert it. Okay, keep in your mind when you are writing the variables in C#. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial.